Are you seeing the message, "Call ended because there's a problem with your device microphone"? Don't worry, because in this video, I'll walk you through several quick and easy solutions to fix this problem on Android. Let's dive in. Before following anything, try to give a restart to your Android device. If you already restarted your iPhone, then try the following process. Solution 1. Enable app permission and clear app cache. Long press on the app icon, tap on the I button, open permissions, turn or allow all the permissions for WhatsApp, go one step back, open storage, tap on clear cache. After that, check if the problem persists. If you still have the same issues, try following the process. Solution 2. Update the app and restart your phone. Open Play Store, search for WhatsApp, check if there is any update available. If available, download the update. But if there is no update available, then go back, tap and hold WhatsApp. Tap Clear Cache. Now restart your Android device again and check out the issue. Solution 3. Check for software updates. A software bug on your device might be affecting the microphone. Open Settings on your phone, scroll down and tap on Software Update. Check if there are any updates available and install them. Once updated, restart your device and test your microphone with a WhatsApp call. And that's it. Hopefully one of these solutions fixed the microphone issue on your device so you can make WhatsApp calls without any interruptions. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks and solutions. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.